Today I will explain different economic analysis. Different economic analysis. Positive and normative economic analysis. Is it important? An economist can carry out a study to examine the actual behavior of the economy or any part of the economy. There are he tries to understand the analyze the real or the actual behavior. In this study, the person is indifferent about the outcome of the study. Such a study is called a positive economics analysis. A statement like the economic growth in the year 1992 was 4%, 6% is a result of a positive economic study. Okay, 1992, 4.6% is a result of a positive economic study. Okay, there can be an economic carrying out a study to examine the possibilities of directing the economic to achieve some self-op targets. A study with some norms, such a study is called a normal economic study. Normative, not normal, normative economic study. A statement like the industrial sector should be developed to achieve a sustainable economic growth at 8%. 8%. Annually is a result of the normal normative economic study. Again, a statement like the industrial sector should be developed to achieve a sustainable economic growth at 8% annual is a result of a normative economic study. Normative economic study. Economic statistics and dynamics. Now I will explain economic statistics and dynamics. An economy is a dynamic system which is changing continuously. This change is also can be the scope of an economic study. The change can be studied in two different ways. The change can be studied in two different ways. One can select two occasions in the change in process and compare to examine what change in have happened. Here are the concern is only on the change at the different points, such an economic analysis called a static economic analysis. Static economic analysis. On the other hand, someone can analyze the process of change in between the said two occasions. Here are the concern is about how those changes have happened or what factors have contributed to the identified change. Such an economic analysis put a dynamic economic analysis. So, do you know now different economic analysis? Different economic analysis. We can say positive and normative economic analysis. One is positive analysis, second one normative economic analysis. What we can. So you can different economic analyze. Remember positive and normative. Otherwise, micro and macro statistics. It is economics very important. This topic GAQ and BA. Micro and macro statistics. So we can do it's simple, not complex. Okay, I go.